why possibly the car won't start up. Look, guys, the car won't start up. It is raining. Looks like it's about to be like a tornado. Look like it's raining. Yes, now about to pull down. I got wet a little bit. I thought I was going to not film this, but I did. And guys, if you guys are watching this, send me some videos of trying to start Mercedes Bentley. What did I just say? I meant to say. Alright, but I meant to say, show me some videos to start Mercedes Bentley's up. Because my mom's car, she has a Mercedes Bentley, and then it don't start up. Keep just getting an ignition, and then, first of all, it won't even get an ignition, so. I don't know, so send me some videos to how to start it up. My God, it's windy, but it's windy. Should I go outside? No, this is a bad idea. Should just be like, roll the goddamn window up. Like, why would I even roll? Like, guys, it's still windy. The back of my dad shirt is like moving. They can't even. Like literally, the window should have been up because. I don't know. But I only got the lay towels on the flip. Those towels gonna be gone. But oh shit! I dropped the camera. But if you guys have suggestions, send them to me. And then I would just let my dad watch them to start the car up, because I need some good suggestions. If you guys are new, subscribe, leave a like, and then just comment down below, see what I can do, or my dad can do, or my mom, because it's her car. See what they can do, see what else can do after that. Because I don't even know why it's even starting, first of all. So, I don't know. Like on PS3 when it was broke, like it fell on the floor. I tripped over it and it fell on the floor and like boom! It didn't like break. It didn't work no more. Now my mom's calling the tow company. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna leave the camera on the floor. I wanna hide it back here. I wanna hide you guys. I'll be back soon. I'll hide you guys right here. Be back soon. Is it windy out here? Oh. Sorry. You guys could have fast forward. You guys could do that. So, hold up. He's in the back of the Cadillac. I almost bust my hair wide open. So, just send us some suggestions. I don't even know how to speak anymore. So, yeah, you guys can send us some videos. How to do that. Send us some how to start up Mercedes Bentley's when they're broke. Because my mom needed new tires because she destroyed the whole side of her car up because she was turning, and then she lost control. The important thing is that she's still alive and she's okay. But yeah. And I'm just watching SpongeBob right now. See? Dang. I think Raiden just electrocuted him. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. Look, got one TV. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Wait, Dada. Are you gonna watch more videos? Sorry for that. Leave you guys waiting. I'm gonna fake like I have no camera on, because they don't want the camera on right now.
How did you know?
Quack, quack, quack. Also, send us some suggestions, and if you guys, if you can't know, you guys can come by Costco. Yeah. She wanted to get new tires because she had Danny to put on new tires, and then she want new tires because they keep making noise. So they had Johnny to get the right size, but then we went out to eat. I just got out the store or something like that, and then went back to the and they texted mommy and called him that they said the car won't start up, and they said it's probably putting it in the wrong way, or they're probably using the wrong car. It was the right car. It was like the right car, yeah, right car. And then it was actually telling the truth that they need the right car, and then it won't start up. So you guys can send some suggestions. I think I'm gonna be filming for 7 minutes. Go send some suggestions and all that. Okay, so you guys can do that, and then look, it's almost night. You can't even tell, but the light is on. The light is on. Barely, you can barely. But why did you do that? Why'd you do that? Look like I just took a picture of her. I didn't. Good. Alright, guys, back. So